God says. Listen carefully to these next 8 minutes, for they have the potential to change your life. Watch the entire video, and don't miss it or you might miss out on significant benefits from me. The problem is, we have no idea what's everything that we own and know is correct is waiting for us tomorrow. Now, so please don't waste your time continuing to feel that you are unworthy. Love yourself, your friends, and the past or the future, your family right now. Enjoy yourself, and don't wait to live another day. Live it now, tomorrow, and most of all, don't stress concerning what others may think of you or your path. They are unable to clue, so savor it with those who genuinely matter and respond. Yes, if necessary. Have faith in God's plan, for He will guide you to success in the same way that a devoted parent does God, in the steadfast love and care of His children, keeps an eye on you and safeguarding tomorrow. Be ready for incredible news that will bring you joy. When you're feeling depressed, God will make you happy. Even in situations where it seems impossible, God will make a way to give you a new start. The much-needed beginning has arrived, along with tension, frustration, and the evenings of insomnia are almost over. You've moved into a new stage where nothing can stop you from realizing that all of the money you have spent will be returned to you multiplied. Discover true love and prosperity. Your life's journey is about to begin. Rewritten, we are poised to greet a prosperous and opportunity-filled. I'm going to bring a season of joy, love, and peace into your life. Richness into it. Welcome this time of year with open arms and rejoice in all the blessings in your path. The suffering you're experiencing will soon pass, and you won't cry as much. You are significant to me, and I adore you, as a life-altering miracle is about to occur for you. Without conditions, I wish to grant you prosperity and spiritual advancement. Regain your relationships, wealth, and health in the name of whatever you set your hands on this year. Jesus, darling child, you will succeed, and God bless you in the name of Jesus for your relationships, wealth, health, and companies. You'll encounter joy, miracles, healing, tranquility, and please allow your heart to open to welcome these benefits and prepare yourself for a wealthy and happy life with boundless abundance will arrive. This month, you're bringing prosperity, health, and riches into your life, but only if you pay attention to what I have to say until the very end. You will lose something very significantly. The heavens will part, and my blessings will flood you. Fostering your endeavors and attending to all of your needs, let my words in this message to you welcome the miracles that are waiting for you with faith, inspiration, and optimism. As you travel, their divine gifts open your heart to receive these blessings and prepare for a happy, prosperous, and satisfying life. This month, prosperity and health will be brought to you by life's boundless abundance and wealth into your life, but only if you pay close attention to what I have to say. Otherwise, I declare in the name of Jesus, you will lose something extremely valuable. That nothing negative will happen to you, your time, your health, or your cash in your family. Never forget that I, the all-powerful God, I will always be by your side and act as your strongest guardian, keeping you safe and lead you to success. Allow your heart to be open to receiving and trust in the incredible opportunities that lie ahead as we begin the month of December. May this month be filled with blessings for you and your cherished family. Rich prospects, an abundance of goodness, and unwavering trust proclaimed to in the name of Jesus. I promise that no matter what obstacles I face, I will not endure suffering, and my Creator's glorious glory will shine through my entire existence. 2024, my darling child, You can be confident that I will always observing your tears, hearing your prayers, and being at your lowest moments. Even in these little moments, I see you, I hear you, and I will free you from despair and welcome the current season, which is full of unending blessings. May this message, filled with hope, strike a deep chord in your hearts. Love, fortitude, and reaffirmed faith. God says, you will smile. You will see the sun once more, and your tears will be wiped. Fantastic news is on the way. A chapter in your life is closing. Finally, you may be confident that wonderful things will happen in the following chapter. Release all that is beyond your control and proceed in a heart full of gratitude and many feelings of confidence in me, since I am the eternal God who loves to bestow upon you countless blessings. For people who are struggling financially challenges, understand that money is easily coming your way. You are my beloved children, and I want to give you a ton of blessings. Lovely November child. December is a month full of chances and rewards for you, and I will bestow upon your family anything that they could ever want: employment, money, automobiles. And please understand, my darling, that I am closing some doors and opening others to bring blessings that will change your life. Your financial status will improve, and you'll, as you view this video, experience unparalleled prosperity in relationships and health. Until the God who heals, restores, and ends. If you are in any way hurting, please know that I provide hope to the hopeless and strength to the weary. Can restore your wholeness. Just ask for my assistance, and I'll provide it. I'm bringing you miracles, gifts, and enhancements to help you grow, and I pledge to fight for your success in all spheres of your life. Provide calmness during challenges, anticipate advancements in your health, employment, business, and financial aspects of this. Prepare for the amazing miracle that will take away all of your concerns this coming week. This is your time to do the things I have planned for you. Restoration. I'll return all that the adversary has stolen from you, including there is always calm, wealth, and purpose when you are with me. Hope. Admit I no longer live, but Christ still lives inside me. I have died with Christ. I now live my life because I have faith in the Son of God, who has shown me love and given. Your finances will triple this week, and I'll bless you with much more because of him. Before this week ends, more than enough for you, your family, and even your grandchildren. You will consistently receive money in the form of a potent, never-ending stream. Your money will increase quickly, offering you a lot of delight. You'll triple your finances if you love health and money. Week, and I'll provide you, your family, and even your future with plenty. Grandparents, before this week ends, money will keep coming in like a strong, never-ending stream that will cause your money to increase quickly, bringing you immense joy in relationships, finances, and health. You're about to experience a large breakthrough that will astound your adversaries and alter the course of history. I will handle your finances' duties, mend your wounded heart, safeguard your family, and build a genuinely wonderful and transformative day for you. Acknowledge verbally that Jesus is Lord, and you firmly think that God resurrected him from the grave. Thus you preserve. Get ready for innovations, triumphs, and success soon. The cosmos is speaking to you today, abundantly and plainly, saying, "Hear me clearly. I will not fail. I promise not to disappoint you, nor will I allow the issue to overwhelm me. I'll make you the overcomer. Believe in yourself, and take action." God is telling you to look forward as we approach July. God, the wellspring of abundance, provide your family and loved ones safety. Prosperity guards you, ensuring your financial security. Have faith in divine direction as blissful moments and remarkable outcomes are in store for you. This I am a God of miracles this week, showing up when hope appears faint. lost faith in divine timing whilst a miracle appeared in your in times of adversity. Have trust that God can transform scarcity into plenty, and battles into victories. Financial blessings are flooding in, completely changing your circumstances. Angels gently remind us that life is fleeting, therefore we should cherish every moment. Take advantage of any chance you have to try something new right now. If you think you can expect a period of peace and optimism as we approach 2024. And good news, God's blessings go beyond material prosperity, offering you serenity. As a deity of freedom shackles your past purpose to your present and hope to your future. Addiction, depression, and sadness are things that can be overcome for your family. When needed, financial miracles and healing will materialize, and God's comfort is constant. Rely on Him in difficult times and have trust that God will intervene as you go through life. Turn obstacles into successes and never forget that I have the ability to the sky's part, bestowing blessings upon your country and consecrating the works of your hands. Your life will keep getting better since I am directing the development of for both your professional and romantic relationships to flourish. You must have faith in your life. Is lovely even when it doesn't feel like it at the moment, as long as you remind yourself of this. Enough times, this will eventually come to pass. Begin by commemorating the miracles you already experience, such as your relationships, health, and financially. Think that despite how difficult or hopeless your days may be, there is so much more. May seem that a better day, similar to winter, is ahead of you right now. Fades to make room for spring, so too will these trying times eventually give way to greater moments in your life. Nothing endures. July of 2024 will always be a month of grace, goodness, and benefits. Rely on God, and let's work together to create a joyful, peaceful, and fulfillment. Have faith in God's ability to provide light and accomplish the seemingly impossible. Remember, Jesus is the source when you enter the dark and begin to mend the broken. Of abundant life, sincerely search Him out for His behind the scenes. God is a being of love and wonders beyond human comprehension, transforming sorrow into happiness and destitution into riches. Dear kids, cling to your have faith in God and welcome the miracles that are in store for you. And allow God's love transform every part of your life with unflinching trust. Walk fearlessly through life, knowing that God is directing you toward your divine. Remember that God is always with you, offering you support and strength. Give assistance when needed. Confidently acknowledge successes, recognizing your immense love and worth. Get ready for a week full of breakthroughs, blessings, and miracles. Thankfulness opens the way to greater blessings, for which the tale of the 10 lepers serves as an example of gratitude, and even greater blessings will materialize. A force of protection exists against unfounded allegations, and envy. Have faith in the intelligence of God, which perceives malicious intent and guarantees the truth wins out. Prepare for a week filled with joy, love, and abundance. Take a look at a new film that promises amazing miracles, breakthroughs, and benefits. Anticipate conquering obstacles, challenges, and accomplishments by the end of 2024. Imagine prosperity, success, contentment, and better health. This coming week is full of magic and wonder. Make your decisions, express your aspirations, and have faith in your ability to achieve. Have faith in your heart that you are destined for a life filled with passion and pursue all your dreams. Intend magic and wonders, and have the courage to stand up for what you, even if you are by yourself. Amazing things do come to those who never give up on your dreams of learning and being thankful. You will be celebrating something very unique very soon. You'll be ecstatic, and so many thanks for sharing your wonderful news. it nearly seems unbelievable. World, how quickly everything transpired to prepare you for its occurring. Enter 555 if you anticipate it to. Remind yourself that you may still be joyful, content, and appreciative having bad or unsatisfactory days, even if you should believe positively. Additionally, you don't have to pretend to feel anything. You can acknowledge and feel your feelings. Must be flawless. 777 this evening, as you sleep in anticipation of a worry-relieving miracle that transforms lives, depends on divine power against any obstacle, while understanding that the divine is greater than anything encountered today. Force seeks divine solace in order to obtain pain alleviation and conquer hopelessness. As the divine force delivers delight, concerns and problems experience everlasting happiness. Bring brightness into your existence. A magnificent recovery is en route. Assuring full recuperation from illness and financial alleviation burdens, the fresh start you've always desired is finally here. You are aware that the anxiety, bewilderment, and insomnia will soon end. The cosmos will eventually replace it with calm, clarity, and fulfillment. Express gratitude right now for your favors, and angels are dispatched to pay off debts and protect your family. Prayer proclaims strength and consolation amid loneliness and weakness, and thankfulness for favors that have changed lives. More benefits are on the way, including miracles and financial improvement. Anticipate a week of notable recovery, financial stability, health progress, and an abundance of miracles. Blessings from the divine force, which include calm, clarity, and understanding. Sleep acknowledges the divine as the world's creator and as a constant, guiding force. Consoling and shielding acknowledge your individuality, and unwavering devotion invoke the blessings of unending love and forgiveness in prayer.